Friends, welcome to SG Fine Art. I'm going to paint this cityscape. At first I'm starting with very watery wash of acrylic. Filling up the road, leaving the whites in between the markings and the zebra crossings. I'm using a mixture of burnt sienna and lemon yellow for filling up the road. At this stage the colors doesn't matter that much. It's just a underpainting. I'll paint in oil at least 2 layers over it. The wash is almost finished. I've started with oils, doing the clouds. For the blue sky I have used ultramarine blue and cerulean blue. For clouds I am using a bit of cadmium range, cobalt blue and of course titanium white. Making the edges soft. The clouds are like sponge. They are very soft. If you like my painting, please subscribe my channel, like and share my videos in your groups. The sky is almost done. I'm filling up the tree, starting with the blacks. For the black I am using a mixture of burnt sienna and ultramarine blue. Using a 000 liner brush. The problem with liner brush is that you have to hold it at the top. Filling up the midtones with red, bit of vermilion and cadmium orange. The sunlight hitting the house, lemon yellow and white. This side of course the dark. Doing the details in the terrace. Shadowy portions. Something is there, maybe a piece of shirt or hanging or some materials. This side looking a bit white in the terrace. Yes. Making the shadows a bit darker. Yes, this portion looking a bit lighter. Making the edges soft. In most cases the edges are soft. The man walking on the road, the shirt, the trouser, holding a sort of bag in his right hand. something at the bottom of the light post, few packets or something, maybe a dustbin. My son is coming to the room. He's always curious. That's the problem with liner brush. You have to hold it at the top, and when you hold it at the top, the paint is wet. They will get disturbed, and more importantly, if you put the hand in front of the painting, it will obstruct the view of the camera. The wall between the two doors, knocking on the window, something is there, window panes, maybe a air conditioner. Edges are soft. The scaffolding, the inner portion of the window, the curtain. The inside room is, of course, dark, reinforcing the sunlight, lemon yellow and titanium white. The window frames, wooden frames, sunlight hitting, very minute details to obtain a sort of photorealistic effect. That's the problem with liner brush. I've said it earlier. If you support your hand on the painting, the wet paint will get disturbed. You can already see a bit of white portions in the road. Yes, the grills of the window. I think you are liking my paintings. Please subscribe my channel, like and share. The window frames, the grill, re-establishing the whites, sunlight hitting directly. The window in the second floor, dark shadows under the grill. some hazy windows or balcony, distant houses, balcony or grill, the window. The ventilators openings, the door, making the edges soft, is the light post. You can see when you hold the liner brush at the bottom, it obstructs the view of the camera, and you have nowhere to support your hand. Yes, now the wires, electrical wires. The painting is incomplete with the wires. The verse is done. I wanted to record it, but I couldn't. I'm sorry for that, because I was not being able to paint the words from the distant, and when you hold your hand at the top of the brush, it is obstructing the view of the camera, so I couldn't record the words. With a distant tree, there's a car, another window maybe. The window looking a bit white. You have to darken it. Yes, the window is darkened. Window or door maybe. The details on the light post and black shadows under those. The painting is almost finished. It is almost looking like a photograph. Doing the highlights on the light post. Yes, the wires, the sunlight hitting up on them. White lines. If you haven't yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe. Bit of warming up the road looking a bit dark, making the connection between the lighter and the darker portion of the road. I am using burnt umber and lemon yellow blending. Well, the painting is almost finished. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching the videos.